In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft OneDrive. So this is a complete tutorial for beginners. To do that, first head over to your browser and create an account. You can do so by going to Microsoft.com and then locate the product of OneDrive from the list, and from in there click onto this create a free account option in order to successfully sign in or sign up. Now once you have signed up, you should be able to have your account, so proceed to sign in from there. So on my case, I already have an account, so let me head over and sign in. Now here is my actual OneDrive on my browser. So you can also access your OneDrive using your File Explorer on your PC. To do so, just head over to File Explorer. And once you're in there, you can locate OneDrive by going over to your left-hand sidebar. And you can find in here the OneDrive icon. Just locate and click on that, and you should be able to find it directly from here. You can find all of the files from there. So in order to upload files, you can just copy a file directly from your computer. Like for example, let's locate a file on this right here. Let's get this AA2, right click, and then from in there proceed to copy it directly from there. Let's head over and copy, then head back right here to your OneDrive. Then after that, right click on the space and head over and paste. You should be able to find right here AA2. Sync right now is pending, so you can see the status from there as well. And as you can see, the sync is only available for this device. If you head over right here to your OneDrive, you can see that we have in here our AA2 already available, and you can also delete it from there and also just upload it directly from here. If you want to upload on OneDrive using the actual app, just click onto this creator upload. You can upload files, create folder, upload folders, as well as create documents from the Office applications. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.